Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Kyrgyzstan using the Remitly app. So first of all, you just have to open the Remitly app, then go to the home page. On the home page, tap on the top of the screen to choose the country that you are sending money to, which is Kyrgyzstan in this case. Then when it opens up, you just have to tap on the bottom of the screen on the Get Started icon. And after that, you can add the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you're going to see your local currency, and below that, you are going to see the same amount in the recipient country's currency. Then just tap on Continue to choose the bank that you would like to use. If you don't see the bank that you prefer, you can always tap on the Choose Another Bank option and see all the available options for Kyrgyzstan. Then you have to add the first name and last name of your recipient. Also add the city and the region. You can also add the phone number so he gets notified when the money arrives, but this is not mandatory, so you can skip this step. Then you can add the reason for sending. And the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details, just as simple as a normal online payment. And the Remitly app is going to take that amount of money from your bank, from your card, and send it to the recipient. So it's that easy. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.